TradeCaptain.com. And my name is Alejandro Zambrano, a Chief Market Analyst with Trade Captain and Amana Capital. And in the next 600 seconds, hence the name of this presentation, I'm going to provide you guys with a quick overview of markets such as the euro dollar, Bitcoin, crude oil, gold, and the DAX 30. And if you're new to this, please note that trading financial markets is unfortunately risky, and there's a genuine risk that we'll lose all of our invested money. So please bear that in mind. And you can always click on the risk disclosure statement here at the bottom. You click on the link here and you can read more about it on TradeCaptain.com. As well, if you are watching us on Periscope today, then please bear in mind that we do these webinars Monday to Friday here at the live trading room on TradeCaptain.com. Okay, let's get going. So the euro continues to gain and the dollar continues to soften. And as you might know, I've been quite bullish for quite some time, really. When we took out this high here in November, I turned bullish, and then we said look to buy a dip. We said look to buy the breakout, and then the last idea was to again buy the dip if possible, or buy the breakout. This exact level was actually at 123.23 yesterday, and I just increased it a little bit to 123.35. I think at the end of the day, though, you can clearly see now with the market rallying at this time of the day, which is again 9 a.m. London time, this tends to lead to a push to the upside when you see these sort of breaks. So I'm bullish. I do think the market can continue to head to the upside. I'm targeting 125 and 125.70. And I think for now, traders that are buying at these highs, they're probably putting stop loss orders down here. This means that they have a risk of about 170 pip, and then if we move up here, they make 170 pip. There's a 1-to-1 reward ratio. Obviously, with the bullish trend, this might continue even further. Here's the price of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin, it's really it's not that easy to short. If you trade with a CFD broker, then you can sell it and you can make money on declines. But most people don't actually do that. Most people just trade the long side. And obviously, if you have been on the long side, then or you're waiting to buy or already long, then obviously the market is moving down here, and it's obviously not that great if you happen to be long, that is. Now, for the downtrend to end, I want to see a break to this series of lower and lower highs. So I do want to see this series of lower and lower highs taken out. The last major high, which is the trend defining high, is the $13,000.86, and a break here, which is also Saturday's high, would most likely mean the end of this downtrend. Until that happens, guys, we could test these lows. And if we take out 8,985, we could decline down to the next level, which is 77.66 down here. As for crude oil, it looks a bit and feels quite a lot like the euro. If we take out 64.89, then this market could move up to 67, and is a bit like the well, it's exactly like the euro. People go long here and stops goes here. The alternative is that we have a corrective move down to 62.23 down here, and then traders try to buy here with stops just at 61. Here is the price of gold. You might remember we said here that the market is going to look to buy here and book profits up here. You can see that works spot on, and the market is now continuing, and it's probably going to head to 1357, which is the next set of highs. So further bullish move here. Traders that are long already, I think they can now probably reduce their stop loss quite significantly to a level just below the entry here at 1325, and most likely if they have some sort of a pullback to maybe 1338, they're probably going to look to go long. So people that are not long probably going to look for that pullback with stops below the low, and people that bought here are either booking profits right now, and if they're keeping them, they're just gonna put the stop down here. Finally, this is the DAX 30, and the DAX 30, as you know, took out this high here, January 9 high, and then it also took out the November 6 high, is short-term bullish, and if it goes down to the breakout level, and this level is more or less the 13,442 euro level, then this could move up to the next high here. And that is the uh, update for today. Let's see now if we have any questions. And I do think we have some connection issues as well today. I'm sorry about that. Let me just see if we have any quick questions here that we can help to answer. Good morning, Mr. Awan. Thank you so much for joining us. Okay, so we don't have any questions, so we're gonna keep it short because we are having connection issues as well here. I can see that we're dropping some frames, as it's called, so it might come out a bit choppy on your end. So let me just give you guys a brief, quick overview if you had issues hearing what I said because of connection issues. Break to 123.40 can take us up to 125. I think traders probably buying here, stops down here. Bitcoin, you just need to wait for the price to take out 13,086. Until that happens, the market could just trade lower. Especially if we take out 89, 85, then we can decline to 77666. Crude oil looks exactly like euro. We just need to take out the high. See if it actually loads. So 64.89 needs to take out that high, and then can go at 67.13. The alternative, it just goes down. Gold, some traders are booking profits here, and people that are not long are probably going to wait for some sort of pullback, maybe to 1,340-ish before turning bullish. I'm going to be bullish as long as above 1,322. And then this is the DAX 30, and it looks to me that it needs to go back to the breakout level at 13,442 euros. And from this level, I want to be bullish, and I'm going to be bullish as long as trade below this low. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me, and don't forget to check out the rest of the articles here at TradeCaptain.com. We do have some webinars coming up that are interesting or should interest people. This is the webinar section, so education and then webinars, and in this section you can actually find the following. Because I'm streaming from this computer, the computer is just going a bit slow. This, if you like live trading, then on Monday next week we have this, which is live coverage of the US inflation report. But this is something interesting, and this is, I mean, both are interesting, but this is more educational. So if you're interested in chart patterns, then you want to check this out. It's a free webinar. You just need to register and become a member of Trade Captain Premium or Trade Captain, and we'll talk about the different sort of patterns like double tops, double bottoms, head and shoulders, scallops, flags, and similar patterns, and show you guys how they look like and how we can trade them. Okay guys, have a good day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time at the live trading room. Thank you.